So let us continue with the aphorism number 2. What we in aphorism number 1 we discuss who is a healer, what is healing. Now we will discuss how a healing should be. According to Dr. Hahnemann in Organon of Medicine, 6th edition, also you will find the characteristic of a healing should be it has to be rapid, gentle, and permanent restitution of health, alleviation or obliteration of disease in entire extent. You can understand entire extent means unroot the disease from its base. Don't leave it in between. And how it should be? It should be, first thing is rapid, gentle and permanent. And it has to be. It has to be reliable, safest manner, and on it has to be quick, and it has to be on principle, intelligent reasons. And what is intelligent reasons? Intelligent reasons are our organon, our classical homeopathic principle, the observation of Kent, the Herring law of cure. And you should have the reason why you are giving the medicine. You should know the totality of the symptoms. You should know the individualization of the case. You should know your patient from mind, body, and soul. As we all know, the triology of life is mind, body, and soul. The disease arises from mind, then it get manifested in the form of sign and symptom on body. So where is the disease rooted? Disease root is in mind. That's why we go with the totality of the symptom. This is the beauty of homeopathy. Let the patient come with a psoriasis, let the patient come with a joint ache, but when we say he should feel, in generality he should feel better, means the better state come with the relief in body, mind, and soul. All the three triology spheres has to be relieved. The disease should be removed from all these three aspects, and the health should be restored. Okay, this is the meaning of aphorism 2. You know what you need to do: save the life, preserve the life, restore the sick to the health. Second, how to do it. Now aphorism 2 is a well explained. It has been explained very well and beautifully in Organon of Medicine. Second aphorism, kindly go through it. Be patient, don't rush. Hard work is important, but hard work in the right direction with proper discipline and focus and time, with proper content, proper study, proper work is very important to achieve success. And this is, I always say, this is not about me. Dr. Shweta Gupta is a classical homeopath. My win, my victory, everything goes to the classical homeopathy. It is a contribution. It is because of Dr. Hahnemann. It is the classical homeopathy that gives me everything, name, fame, money, everything is there with me. And you can very well understand how much gratitude I feel. I feel very confident. I feel, yes, I am a classical homeopath. Where the people fail, where the allopaths fail, I do the cases of ICU. When people surrender, when doctors surrender in front of me, I treat them, and I treat them with conviction and with confidence. Yes, I prove them. Yes, I can treat in within 72 hours, and they have witnessed. My achievements are because of my hard work, and the success of my depends upon my roots, my homeopathic background, my study, the blessing of Dr. Hahnemann over me. Okay, so I owe everything because of classical homeopathy, because of Dr. Hahnemann, because of our philosophy, because of Organon. Always remember, you should be gratitude. You should have gratitude. Be humble with everybody. We are nothing. We are just a soul. We are here with a body, with a face, and one day we will go. But our life should not be in vain. Okay, be a confident person. Let the world recognize the beauty of homeopathy. Let me give you an example. I work 30 hours, I work 24 hours, I work day and night because I love it. It is my passion. I have a goal. I want to prove the world, because yes, when the field is having potential, why not? Why people should not be enjoying it? Why the people should not get the opportunity to explore, to experiment, to try homeopathy? The success of homeopath, the successful rate, the failure rate of homeopathy depends upon the physician, of the students, of the followers. Be confident, work hard. Let's prove the worth of homeopathy. Don't compromise with the patent. I don't believe the people who are negligent, who are not working hard, who are just taking support of the patents and combination and exploiting the essence of homeopathy. Beauty of homeopathy lies in the classical, simple, single medicine and prescription. And definitely, with the course of time, I will come with the posology. We will definitely go in depth or insight of the organ of medicine. My objective is to make homeopaths a better homeopath, classical homeopath. Okay, all the best. Have a good day. I think it would be of help. Take care, everybody. Be a proud homeopath. Definitely win over COVID-19 with homeopathic medicine and management under Dr. Shweta Gupta Bhandari. It is a motto, and I will prove. Okay, take care, everybody. Bye.